Hey, this is Kevin with All Star Medical, and today we want to show you the Golden Technologies PR514. It's called their Twilight chair. One of the things that they have different than the Maxi Comfort is they have built in what they're calling the Twilight in a cradle technology. So I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to move to TV mode, okay, which is going to bring your feet up, slightly recline you back. And then, if you can see, I'm able to push this button and the chair will start to actually tilt. It's the only chair on the market that does anything close to this. So you get a cradle position. I can do anything I want to. I can come back down. So if you have a TV up high, all you have to do is set this up like this. I can also maneuver it to whatever position I find comfortable. If I want my legs down a little bit, I can do all that. If I want my back up more, I still have the ability with all the independent motors to find the most comfortable position I want. Again, nobody makes this on the market other than Golden Technologies. This is a really nice system here. This is their hazelnut, and this is their coffee bean brisa. We have these in both of our locations here in Hermitage and the one in Franklin. You can also order online at allstarmedicalllc.com. We offer free shipping in the continental United States, but if you have any questions, we can send you a video or we can just talk to you over the phone and get all your questions answered. Our phone number is 615-730-9438.